So let's just jump right into it. Come on. Alright, we're gonna try this for like the 50th time. Keep having little issues, screen recording things and whatnot, but alright, so we're not gonna use any filters. We're just gonna stick to the mixer section, treble, mid, bass, stick all the way to the end because I do have some outtakes that I didn't delete for space reasons, so I'm just gonna throw them at the end. First thing we're gonna do is basically a full reveal to a point where we're gonna keep the treble up, or we're gonna keep the mid and the bass all the way down. And we're gonna basically blend up and then fade down. And then the next time around, we're gonna keep the bass up. Let me turn the screen recording software on because our best take wasn't recording the screen. So that would have been no fun for you guys. All right, we're gonna go back this time, keep the bass up, the mid down, let's do it. So that was the two basic fade ups. One was more of a full reveal, so having the mid and the bass all the way down. A total kill would be great. These weren't a total kill, but it doesn't matter. And then having the bass up and then lowering the bass, or however you want to blend. I'm gonna keep a couple takes at the end. I actually should have kept all the takes. It would have been cool for you guys to see. But anyways, I have a couple takes at the end. That's how you do it. Next time we're gonna add in some filters and stuff on top of that. But the more you get used to blending, the better. And this is different from dropping on the one because you're fading up. So it's a different level than having to press play at full volume. A lot of people have trouble getting past that hurdle where you're at a party and you have to press play at full volume. So this is one that you could start playing with a little, maybe even before dropping on the one. But I like dropping on the one, but again, this is a little bit easier maybe. And it gives you a little bit different freedom to blend on your way up that you wouldn't necessarily have if you were pressing play at full volume. But anyways, hope this helps. Like, share, subscribe, follow. I'm gonna see you later, players. Peace.